Pricefox settings. Now, this is the settings tabs for Pricefox. This is the general settings that you would be doing for your items that you get onto Pricefox. Brand new items, okay? So over here, you've got your PayPal email. The PayPal email is the email that you use to get paid via PayPal, okay? That is what you are adding there. So you just add that there and voila, you're done. Quantity is the general quantity for all items new that you put on there. So that's the item quantity that would be added on as soon as you add a new item onto Pricefox. Of course, as you know, in my eBay store or the Repricer store, you can edit each item and have individual item quantity for your items. Okay, so if you wanted to have, let's say, 15 items, you can change it to 15. If you want 80 items on there, you can have 80 items on there. Or one item, you can have one item on there. Now also in this section, you've got special suppliers options, supplier special options. You've got Amazon here. Now, fetch method on Amazon. Okay, the method that Pricefox is using to fetch the item details for you on Amazon. So we've got target link. Okay, now a target link is, let's go back to that item that we keep looking at. Home and garden furniture here. So I choose this item. For example, this item here. So you found this item on Amazon, you want to list it, you list it on eBay, and now you want the item link. So especially this item on the buy box here, you want the URL where it says the search option at the top. At the top, you've got the search option, you've got the URL, that is where the specific link would be. Okay, so say you wanted this item from this seller, you can just add it to the basket, go there, click on that one, and you've got this target link right there. Okay, so this items from this seller, that would be the target link for that specific item. Okay, so each item that you buy, that would be one of those options. The target link would be the link that you have for that specific item. Then you've got the buy box option. Now the buy box option is this option here. So it's already on the buy box. Okay, so let's go find it again. Let's go find the item for you. Let's go to home and garden, furniture. We're looking for this item. We found this item. This would be the buy box item. Okay, that's not the buy box item. That's other sellers on Amazon. So this is where you found it at first. Okay, so other sellers on Amazon. Then you've got the lowest prime, lowest new, lowest used, and lowest overall. So let me show you what that means. Over here, you've got dispatched and sold by Amazon. You've got that, and then the other sellers, okay, so, or other sellers on Amazon. You've got loads of lists here. So it's either from that link or from that link. You've got two places where you can find these options here. Now let's have a look here. You've got the lowest prime. Okay, so if you want to do that, you will choose the refine it, and you'll find the lowest prime option. So this one is what Pricefox will take from. Okay, so the lowest prime option. Okay, or if you want to have the lowest new, you'll go to Amazon, take the prime away, and you've got the lowest new one. So the lowest price, because sometimes we have used items on here. Okay, so the lowest new item would be this one. So Pricefox would take it from this option. Okay, or the lowest used, or the lowest overall. The lowest overall would be all of these items together, whichever is the lowest price in all options to do with this item itself from any sellers, any seller. Okay, so that's what the fetch method on Amazon means. If you are a Prime member on Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.co.uk would be £20 or less for shipping, where you would use Prime, or if you have $25, I believe, for the US, then you can use Prime if you are a Prime member of those accounts. Should you not have a Prime account, okay, should you not have a Prime account, you will not be able to tick this box. Okay, so if you are a Prime member, you tick this box and we will use this as a method for you and it will not show us out of stock. So some items on Amazon also have Prime only items, which means that if this is unticked for you and you are not a Prime member and for some reason this mattress over here, that one is £15, for example, because Prime membership gives you free shipping for under £20, okay, or under $25. So say this is £15 or $15. You won't get the Prime benefit, so it won't be free shipping, okay? So it will show your item as out of stock, okay? Or if it's Prime only items and this bed became a Prime only, this mattress became a Prime only item, only Prime members can buy this item, then it will show out of stock for your store, okay? If you do take add-on items, you need to tick that box there, or the Pandora items, you need to tick that box there. If you have neither of those, if you use neither of those, it will show out of stock should one of these items. So say this mattress becomes an add-on item. It becomes randomly an add-on item onto your store. Pricefox will make sure that it becomes an out of stock item if these boxes are not ticked. Okay, remember to save your settings. Then you've also got formula settings. Formula settings are where your general settings for all your new items that you add onto Pricefox. Okay, so you've got the vendor fees here, you've got the profit rate, you've got the fixed margin. You can change it all around, change it how you want in dollars. If you only want the percentages, you can do that. You can have all of that there, you know. It's changes on how you want your eBay store to be run from the default formula settings. This is the default formula settings. Of course, if you go to my eBay, all your listings are there. You can change all your settings over there. You can go change it in your repricer. You can change your settings for each individual listing that you have on eBay. If you add a new formula setting pattern, you can do that as well, and you can update all settings in your general settings tab on Pricefox itself.